Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Today, special class. The class is that actually we chant Hare Krishna mantra, and Srila Prabhupada always said that among all the instructions I have given, chanting Hare Krishna is the most important instruction. Correct? The Acharya, the Hedidera, the Ella Upadesha Kodidera, the Mula Upadesha Hari Nama Hare Krishna Mahamantra Japa Madi. Correct? Suppose Janage time illa, Japa bhada important. First, Amale Veda things. Correct? First importance is there. Before the day ends, we finish 16 rounds. The first instruction. Okay? In the beginning, we may start whatever, but quickly we should come to the protection of the holy name. But it is very nice if you know that it is highly authorized from the Shastra. Acharya Hedidara, actually, in spiritual life, we move by the order of Guru Sadhu Shastra. We don't move by our experiences. In material life, we make movement based on our experience. Now I got some idea, now I got some experience. We are not denying experience, prataksha. But we say, Shabda is much more important than experience. Just like whole life, somebody will not get convinced that sense gratification is his enemy. He will never get convinced by his experience. Because always, even though it is temporary, correct? Indriya bhoga ide, idu temporary ko kya bolte hain? Haan. Indriya bhoga tripti ide, shanika ide. And tripti illa. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಜನಗೆ he cannot understand. Only by Shabda of the Shastra I can understand. No, I should not do it. Correct? So this Shabda comes from Guru Sadhu Shastra, authority. Just like ಇದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, authority ಇದೆ, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಟೀಚರ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, the Guru Sadhu Shastra. So similarly, in spiritual line also, these authorities are there. So Acharya Prabhupada always says, please chant Hare Krishna. In fact, he said this movement is nothing but Hare Krishna mantra, Hare Krishna mantra. Correct? Shastra, janage gotilla, is to authorize it. I remember when I was in my college, when I also came in contact with devotees in the college, we went to some temples near Kanpur. And Ashcharya, those temples have nothing to do with Hare Krishna movement, because many people feel Hare Krishna mantra is the ISKCON mantra. Vedic mantra illa. Jana ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದು ISKCON mantra. ಇದು ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ನಿಯಮ ಇಲ್ಲ. I saw so many temples, like from Bithura and so many, all everywhere in the walls they painted Hare Krishna mantra. There's nothing to do with us. This is actually a Vedic mantra. Okay? But let us see the authorities of mantra today from the scriptures. Okay? It gives support. Every day we are chanting. Pratidina jana japa ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋ. So ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋ, ನಮಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. Because ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಆಸ್ಥಾ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಆಚಾರ್ಯದ ಆಸ್ಥಾ ಇದೆ. So ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಇದು one ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಂಟ್ರಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, parallel ಇದೆ. Suppose you go to college, teacher teaches something and then textbook teaches something else, you should leave the college. Correct? Teacher ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ something F equal to MA, textbook open ಮಾಡಿ different ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, college ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ, because person becomes mad. Correct? ಏಕ ದ್ವಿವಾದ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏಕವಾದ. ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ, ಆಚಾರ್ಯ, ಗುರು, ಏಕ್. Two ಇಲ್ಲ. If there is two, one is wrong or both is wrong. Correct? Difference possible illa. So Acharya, Srila Prabhupada is such a great Acharya, and he says, chant Hare Krishna mantra, it is most important. Correct? In fact, when he went to America, he did not speak anything. He used to do kirtan for 3 hours. That's what we are trying to recreate. Same tune. Not all this orchestra. In fact, I will hardly have any respect if somebody said he will do orchestra. I can't look at Prabhupada with that mood I look, and Prabhupada saying, Hare, Hare. Actually, people do that, but actually they make themselves cheap when they do that. There is no gravity then remaining in a person. It is not an entertainment. They look at, that's like sometimes Kirtan becomes like laughter club. In laughter club, nodidera? You have heard about laughter club? Some 5-6 people look at each other, eye contact, and they smile at each other, and they start clapping. And the result, jana laughter ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. And santushti ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, and they are very happy. They do it daily. It has become a kind of religion. Correct? Sometimes people doing Sankirtana, the enjoyment is laughter club, not Sankirtana. Because jana chehra ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, eye contact ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, smile ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, clap ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, laughter ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. And they think we are enjoying Harinama. No. The Harinama effect may be 1%, laughter club effect is 99%. And they are very satisfied. Now how was it? Well, somebody is asking me, I said, how was the tune or how was the kirtan? We asked me which one. Okay, so we should be very focused. In fact, we should pray to the holy name. It is very easy when you sing in a simple tune, repetitive. It is very easy for public to repeat. I have seen so many times public Harinams are there and they sing all these fancy film tunes. Public is just looking and clapping. They can't repeat. It takes training of 2 hours to be able to repeat that up and down. You know, you need to practice. And I remember the situation became so drastic once that one person was from a music school before joining the temple. So he used to stand with a stick, and because that is what they do in orchestra, up, down. I said, what are you doing? He said, that's what you people are doing. It has to, because the mridang has to go fast now, kartal has to go full speed now. Now everybody should jump, now stop. It should be natural. Prabhupada used to say, Krishna consciousness should be very natural. Not time to jump, very old, jump. No, people will jump. Is the happiness of oneself. So the prayer should be there. Actually, there is no difference between Krishna and Nama. Abhinatvam Nama Namina. That's why Draupadi just chanted the Govinda's name. Correct? Nama Uchcharan Maridara. Boom! Immediate Krishna. There is no difference. Bheda illa. Now, if I say mango, the season illa, mango is not appearing. Correct? Santushti illa mango. Correct? Mango bartare? No. But Krishna and Krishna Nama Krishna Bheda illa. Itu bhada adhyatmik tattva. Krishna Vigraha Krishna Bheda illa. That's why we are keeping bhoga, we are off requesting Krishna take. There is no difference. Krishna can eat. Correct? Similarly, we take prasadam when we are eating. Krishna it is. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna. Correct? And nobody will keep on the floor. They will respect and do. You can do arti for Bhagavad Gita itself. There is no difference between Krishna Vachana and Krishna. Correct? Krishna Upadesha, Krishna. Difference illa. Same. Same way, Krishna Nama and Krishna, there is no difference. Abhinatvam Nama Namina. There is no difference between name and the name of the Lord and the Hare. So let us see. I did this class once, I remember, but I didn't show you the quotations. So today I will show you so you can also see. Now this is a collection because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu 500 years ago spread everywhere the chanting of Hare Krishna mantra. Before even advent of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in the scriptures, Hare Krishna mantra is recorded. Because we'll just go to that, and this is a compilation by one devotee, Madhu Dvisha. It's a nice work he has done. Now we go to Brahmanda Purana. In Brahmanda Purana there is an authority which also comes in Bhagavatam, Romaharsana Suta. He is the father of Suta Goswami, no? Romaharsana Suta. He says, he offering this prayer to Veda Vyasa. He is a disciple of Veda Vyasa. Veda Vyasa taught Puranas to Romaharsana Suta. Different people, he gave different things. What does he say? The embodied soul who accepts this mantra will become filled with transcendence. This is in which Purana? Brahmanda Purana. And by accepting it, even a drunkard will attain all perfection. As to power is there. I will recite the mantra to you, for you are a swan-like mahabhagavata. So he is speaking this. What is the mantra? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, These 16 names can destroy the sins of the 3 words, and nothing higher than them is to be found in all the Vedas. He is the father of Suta Goswami, he has given his statement. Agni Purana. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Whoever chants this mantra even neglectfully will attain the supreme goal of life. मैंने जना हेडता ना Hare Krishna हेडता even neglectfully. Sometimes they making simply fun. What do you call fun in Kannada? Jana tamasha ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Hare Krishna. ಅದು ಭಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜನ ತುಂಬ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ತಮಾಷೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. But effect is there. ತುಂಬ powerful ಇದೆ. Even neglectfully attain the supreme goal of life. Of this there is no doubt. Therefore, we have started Nama Sankirtana by Krishna's grace. We are doing on Saturday evening, Sunday morning, Sunday evening. 3 times. Some enthusiasm. We didn't tell self-enthusiasm. But it is, everybody should participate. It's very nice actually, very purifying. Even when your house you are chanting Hare Krishna, when cockroach is there, no benefit badta hai. As to auspicious is it. Correct? See, in this word, if Pakistan buys missiles from America, India is at loss. Correct? For Pakistan it is good, for India it is bad. Correct? Now India-South Africa match is going on. If India wins, South Africa will cry. If South Africa wins, in India they will cry. So one person is benefited, other person is lost. Correct? Just like we are now buying land. If he takes good rate, loss for me. If I take good rate, loss for him. Correct? But Hare Krishna mantra, Allah ke khushi. Jana vyapara ide, one benefit ide, one loss ide. Correct? But in Hare Krishna mantra, everybody is benefited. Suppose there is a war between India and Pakistan. India means we are happy. Pakistan, they will cry. Correct? One loss, one win. But Hare Krishna mantra, Allah auspicious. Insects ide, bird ide, cockroach ide. Allah is too loud. You chant, that much benefited. Even trees are benefited. Anything as auspicious possible like that. First thing we are benefited. And then in the heart, who is there? Krishna is there. And in the stomach, so many bacteria are there. They are also benefited. All auspicious. As to auspicious. We had gone to some college, they were telling about some enzyme they have separated out now, because medicine is also going to microbiology now. They are breaking their head. Lot of papers are coming, big papers. I have been put in some ethics committees. And they are finding certain enzymes which are naturally occurring. So many viruses, bacteria which are occurring, which are very good for us. And they are there in our system. They are called good bacteria and good viruses. They should stay. Amazing it is actually. And how there is some connection with our DNA, they are within control. They don't reproduce like other dangerous viruses, and complicated symbiotic relationship is there with the nature. Even they are benefited when we chant Hare Krishna mantra. Correct? Even the bacteria, virus are causing infection, they are also benefited when you are chanting Hare Krishna. And there is, what is the number? 1 billions will be there in your body. When cold infection barta rahe, S2 virus, bacteria gota billions. You are benefiting billions of people within your body only. Correct? And then around you see there are all the auspiciousness there. So therefore we should chant. We should have no hesitation. When you are doing good, why hesitation? Correct? We should say, yes, it is nice. Some people may in the beginning feel they are gone mad. Because Janado culture reject madidare. America imitate madbo. Correct? Janage idu wave. There is no wave or trend. Trend ide namge culture reject madi, Western culture adopt madi. So when we go to do public Harinama, we are beyond all this. Prabhupada said, just by the loud chanting of Harinama, we forget I am Indian, I am Kannadiga, I am American. We are coming to spiritual platform. And everybody is benefited. In the beginning only we feel, moment you chant Hare Krishna mantra, you forget you are on earth. You forget you are in Bangalore, correct? You are in Vaikuntha. The pleasure is so nice. Okay, so there should be no hesitation. And you see how much it is authorized. So we got a reference from Agni Purana. Prabhupada also many times said, this Hare Krishna mantra is given in Agni Purana. And we see the reference here. Okay? Padma Purana also says, any Vaishnava who chant the mantra consisting of the 32 syllables and 16 names will attain the abode of Radha and Krishna. Correct? They have given the Sanskrit quotations, you can read. Then again in Padma Purana, and one more reference comes. What is that? Anyone who dances in front of Sri Hari and loudly chant the Hari Nama Mahamantra will destroy all witches of sin. Just as the water of sacred rivers, like the Ganga, purify the universe. Correct? Ganga goes through the Ganga is also going to Indra, to heaven. Everywhere it flows actually. Starts from. Similarly, those who circumambulate Sri Hari and loudly perform Nama Sankirtana, the 16-word Mahamantra with sweet voices while clapping with hand, purify the entire universe. Complete Brahmanda purifier. It is Mangalore we have to purify. People are doing so many kind of activities. Jana daru martara, ashtu papa karma martara. Just by chanting Harinama and clapping, you are purifying that place. In fact, previously when ISKCON movement started, they were in Calcutta. And this is 1970. Devotee did not rent a house. Because when they construct the house, they used to say, please 1 year you stay in my house and do Harinama. They know house will be purified for generations. No, they don't. Rather, jana one broker ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. One ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ cheap ಇದೆ. So I ಹೇಳಿ ಕಾರಣ ಇದೆ, next temple ಇದೆ. ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾ? Temple ಇದೆ, ಬೇಡ. Well, they don't want. Two places ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Rate half rate. ಬೇಡ. Temple ಇದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು sound ಬರ್ತದೆ. As to auspicious, it is so auspicious to be next to a temple that telling, appa, there's too sound. They don't want. People are scared. Temple. Now this is the situation which has come. Previously, people are giving their houses in India. Please do Harinama for some time. Whole house will be purified for days. Now, Harinama. We went to one lady because astrologer told her. She told, I went to an astrologer in Bangalore. We went one lady, we were approaching for a house. So she went and she asked that, what do you tell? He said, yes, you will soon get a house next to a temple. No, I don't want. So auspicious he is telling. It is so auspicious because even by, you see, just like in a temple, that's why even if you are not doing anything, but suppose you are sitting above, Kirtan is going on, no? That it enters the ears, it feels so nice actually. The same way, even if your house you are doing some other activity, it is so auspicious. But no, TV sound is okay, but this Kirtan sound better. The name is the root of all the mantras. The splendid one bringing joy to everyone. This root mantra is chanted as Hare, Krishna and Rama. Just like Krishna can be broken into many ways. You have heard there are many ways you can break the word Krishna. Okay? Many ways they have done it. Similarly, Rama, Sanskrit language allows you to do that. And all beautiful meanings come from the meaning of the word. Simplest we say Akarshiti iti Krishna, correct? But there are many ways. If you read Chaitanya Charitamrita, they break the word Krishna. So many ways Acharyas do it. And so many beautiful meaning come out of the word Krishna, correct? You also read? Sridhara? You know, right? Is there. Same way, this word Hare can be derived from Hara, also from Radharani, also from Hari. Okay? So here the two references are deriving it from Hari. And generally Prabhupada derives it from Hara, from Radharani. So Hari is Krishna. Hara becomes Radharani, and from O Radharani derives Hare. But here, this is in Atharva Veda, it is derived from Hari. The name, this is the one. Now it has given the meaning. Now this is another one. The famous one, Kali Santarana Upanishad. What does it say? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Idi Shodashakam Nam Kali Kalmashanashanam Nata Parataraupaya Sarvedeshu Drishyate. This is in the Upanishad. What is said? This is from Upanishads are part of the Vedas, it's part of Yajur Veda. Some people say, I only follow what is there in the Vedas. There in the Yajur Veda, no? Now what is your objection? Previous one is in Atharva Veda also. Now, there are some crazy people. They say only we will follow Veda and only they think to do with the Homer. But actually even Krishna can establish from Vedas, because Bhagavad Gita Krishna says, Vedesh sarve aham eva vedya. Correct? So here you see it is now derived from Yajurveda, and previous reference was from Atharvaveda. The 16 names of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare, destroy all the inauspicious in the age of Kali. This is the conclusion of all the Vedas. Actually, in the Kali Shantana Upanishad, that comes starting from Hare Rama, not from Hare Krishna. So then Prabhupada asked, and the Vedas, the scriptures, both are given. Salpa time in the Vedas it is given starting from Hare Rama. Salpa times it is given starting from Hare Krishna. Which one? Why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chose Hare Krishna? So there are many reasons for that. But one of the important reasons is that Puranas can be taken up by anybody immediately. But if something is in the Upanishads and the Vedas, it can't be distributed till the person is second initiated. For public distribution, therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chose starting from Hare Krishna. That is one reason. There are many more advanced reasons. Okay? So on the authority of Lord Chaitanya, we start from Hare Krishna. But otherwise, in the Vedic literature, both are given. Okay? But in cycle, anyway, it doesn't make any difference. It becomes same. No need to make much issue about it. Some people make issue about which the Rama refers to. Because there are 3 Ramas in our history. Parashurama, Balarama, Sita Rama. So which Rama is this? And they fight. What is the use? Because Vishnu Tattva is same. God cannot be two. Krishna, Rama, Vishnu, all are same. It is one person only. It does not matter. Prabhupada is such unnecessarily fight. Because some devotees started debating. No, it is Balaram only, not Sita Rama. Oh, how does it matter? It is same person. Correct? It is same person. People want to debate, they will find any reason. Now the meaning have been given of this mantra. The root Krish indicates attractiveness of the Lord, Akashiteti. The suffix Na indicates the supreme joy. Okay? Thus the name of Krishna indicates the supreme Brahman, who is the source of these two characteristics. Attraction and joy. Krishna. Then Ramante Yogino Anante, that is the famous verse. The yogis take pleasure in the Supreme Self, which is existing knowledge and absolute. Therefore, the truth known as Param Brahman is also known as Rama. So, these are the two words being explained here. Okay. Now, surprising this is. There's one more quote. Now, this is coming from Tantra. Now, there are Shruti, Smriti, Puranadi, Pancharatra. So we took references from the Vedas, we took some references from the Puranas, now from Pancharatra. Pancharatra, in fact, one more reference is there from Narada Pancharatra, that this Hare Krishna mantra, the first 8 words, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, has all the power of all the mantras. Therefore, it is not called mantra, it is called Maha Mantra. It has the power of, that's the reference of Narada Pancharatra. Prabhupada is quoted sometimes. Now this is one from Pancharatra. What does it say? You see, the mantra is so carefully specified. First one should chant the Hare Krishna. First one should twice chant Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. And therefore, okay, and then twice Hare. Hare Krishna, no, then twice Krishna. Krishna, Krishna, then twice Hare. So you see, exactly it is said. And then twice Hare Rama. In the end, O Mahadevi, one should chant Rama twice. And then Hare Hare. Exact, you can construct the mantra from the way it has been said. You see, first chant Hare Krishna twice. Hare Krishna. Then twice Krishna. Krishna, Krishna, then Hare Hare. Then Hare Rama. Then what you should do? Rama Rama, Hare Hare. No mistake can be made now. Correct ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is Last quotation. This is from one more reference in the Radha Tantra. The following discussion. Now, Tantra. Mantra, Tantra, Visharadaha. Tantra also they got a reference. Oh, best, there are more references. Some collection made by one devotee, Madhavananda. Oh, best of the sons. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. These 32 syllables and 16 names are always the names for the age of Kali. This mantra should be the first heard by all human beings. Everybody should hear this mantra and chant this mantra. Important? So now, we should therefore every day keep time. In fact, what my ichha is, the morning, at least on one day in a week, everybody should sit and chant. I'll get the questions now, so that people find difficult to sit for 2 hours. And one time at least, concentrate on Gajanana, Channa. Correct? Once a week, everybody can come. Sunday, Vedige. Correct? Hare, what 16 I was telling, some place in Bombay, they are chanting 64 rounds. Every week, they sit down from morning 5 to 1 o'clock, they chant 64 rounds, 8 hours non-stop. 64 rounds, at least 16 rounds we can chant, 2 hours it takes. So at least once a week, we do together nicely. Okay? Attentively we sit and chant. Softly you put Prabhupada Japa and all of us attentively chant 16 rounds. It will be very nice. Okay? So we can be more and more confident that so actually we are fortunate. People are doing everything except this. Salpajana Nodi, what they do for spiritual advancement. Prabhupada said actually there is in the lecture on the Hare Krishna mantra, Prabhupada concludes, there is no means of spiritual advancement as effective as the chanting of the Hare Krishna mantra in Kali Yuga. There is no mean. It is authorized by the scripture and practically also we can see people make rapid progress. Anybody, we can also feel so much peace, so much bliss in chanting the Hare Krishna mantra. Now we showed it is so authorized. And you see what people are doing. They are teaching people to do first the 90% jana meditation train marta. This is also meditation. It's called mantra meditation. We have to meditate on the nama. Not that we are chanting, we are thinking what will happen, what will go there, who will win election, what will happen in the cricket match, what will happen in the movie. No, don't do that. Do meditation is it. Mantra meditation. Nothing else. Somebody asked Prabhupada in Delhi how to chant Mahamantra. Prabhupada said chant Hare, here Hare. Chant Krishna, here Krishna. No, mind. Prabhupada said there is nothing for the mind to do in this. You chant from here, here from here. This has no role to play. Switch it on. But we can't switch it on. That is our problem. We keep thinking this. Nothing to do for the mind. Don't even artificially bring in prayers and nothing. Just switch off. Shut off. Because an excuse of some prayer, no, I will pray to Krishna like a child prayer. You shut up. But because it wants first to be switched on. It is off actually. So it says some request to switch it on. Once you switch on, then it is roaming around. Just switch off. Actually chanting is from the mouth to the ear. It is off mode. Nothing to think. Mantra meditation. Only the Shabda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama. No vichara, no thought, no anxiety, nothing. Everything we should forget. Just hear the Nama, your Supreme Lord. 2 hours, you and Krishna. Nobody is there. That's all. Correct? Sometimes we want to have meeting, important man, you go for meeting. And we are so happy. If suppose, I was there, one person was telling, I have met him, I was the chief minister, 1 hour he was talking, nobody was supposed to say. Yes, Krishna is giving the privilege. You and him, nothing else. But Krishna can do that for everybody. You can't do. Suppose I am sitting with him, I can sit with him, I can't sit with him. Correct? Namke limitation is. Krishna is the expansion with him. When Krishna was dancing, he was dancing with each gopi. When Krishna was taking food, he was taking food from each gopa. Correct? Like that. Krishna can exclusively be present. He is present as Paramatma in everybody's heart, but we can't understand. So when you are chanting like this, it is so pleasing. Today morning we are discussing Krishna is unconquerable. Krishna is conquered. Krishna, gopis, he told the gopis, I can't repay you. So Prabhupada says, everybody is trying to conquer Krishna. And here you see, whoever went to Krishna, Krishna killed them. Correct? All the demons went, Krishna killed them. You can't fight, you can't control Krishna in an opposing way. You want to attack to control Krishna, Krishna will kill you. He's a supreme personality. He can't. But as a devotee, when approaches Krishna, he conquers Krishna. Okay? That is the way to ajita api jita. The unconquerable can be conquered. When somebody attentively hears Harinama, Krishna is conquered. He becomes the property of his devotees. Okay? So therefore it is highly auspicious. It is the easiest thing to do in Kali Yuga, and it is so authorized. We should not miss the opportunity. By good fortune, everybody here is chanting Hare Krishna more. This is just to enthuse people more. Please don't miss this opportunity. Nicely chant the Harinama. Srila Prabhupada ki, Hare Krishna Mahamantra ki.